Welcome to Asharfa English.
Head.
Head.
Head is the top part of body.
Hair.
Hair.
Hair protects and insulates the skin.
Forehead.
Forehead.
The forehead protects the front part of the brain.
Eyes.
Eyes.
Eyes detect light and enable us to see the world.
Eyelids.
Eyelids.
Eyelids shield the eyes from dust and maintain moisture.
Eyelashes.
Eyelashes.
The eyelashes keep dust out of the eyes.
Eyebrows.
Eyebrows.
The eyebrows prevent sweat from dripping into eyes.
Ears.
Ears.
Ears detect sound and help with balance.
Nose.
Nose.
The nose smells and filters the air.
Mouth.
Mouth.
The mouth is used for eating, speaking, and breathing.
Face.
Face.
The face is the front part of the head, consisting of the eyes, nose, and cheeks.
Lips.
Lips.
The lips help with speech and keep food in.
Teeth.
Teeth.
Teeth help us bite and chew food.
Tongue.
Tongue.
The tongue tastes food and helps with speech.
Jaw.
Jaw.
The jaw helps you talk and chew.
Cheeks.
Cheeks.
Cheeks are the soft parts on the sides of face.
Chin.
Chin.
The chin is the bottom part of the face.
Neck.
Neck.
The neck connects the head to the body. It helps move the head.
Throat.
Throat.
The throat carries food to the stomach and air to the lungs.
Mustache.
Mustache.
A mustache is hair above the upper lip.
Beard.
Beard.
A beard is hair on the chin, cheeks, and jaw in males.
Chest.
Chest.
The chest protects the heart and lungs.
Shoulders.
Shoulders.
The shoulders connect the arms to the body.
Arm.
Arm.
The arm is used to reach, lift, and hold things.
Armpit.
Armpit.
The armpit is the area under the arm where it meets the body.
Elbow.
Elbow.
The elbow is the joint that helps bend the arm.
Upper arm.
Upper arm.
The upper arm is the part of the arm between the shoulder and the elbow.
Forearm.
Forearm.
The forearm is the part of your arm between the elbow and the wrist.
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 The wrist connects the hand to the arm.
Hand.
Hand.
The hand is used to hold, touch, and grip things.
Palm.
Palm.
The palm is the flat, inner part of your hand.
Thumb.
Thumb.
The thumb is the short, thick finger used for gripping things.
Fingers.
Fingers.
Fingers are used to touch and hold things.
Index finger.
Index finger.
The index is the first finger next to the thumb, used for pointing.
Middle finger.
Middle finger.
The middle finger is the longest finger. It adds strength to the grip.
Ring finger.
Ring finger.
The ring finger assists in grasping.
Little finger.
Little finger.
The little finger stabilizes the grip.
Nail.
Nail.
A nail is a hard, protective cover on the tip of each finger.
Belly.
Belly.
The belly is the front part of body, below the chest.
Belly button.
Belly button.
The belly button is the small, round spot in the center of the belly.
Leg.
Leg.
The leg supports the body and enables movement.
Thigh.
Thigh.
The thigh has the strongest muscles for walking and running.
Knee.
Knee.
The knee bends the leg and supports walking.
Calf.
Calf.
The calf is the back part of the lower leg, below the knee.
Shin.
Shin.
The shin is the front part of the lower leg, below the knee.
Ankle.
Ankle.
The ankle allows foot movement and balance.
Heel.
Heel.
The heel supports walking and balance.
Foot.
Foot.
The foot bears body weight and provides balance.
Sole.
Sole.
The sole absorbs shock while walking.
Toes.
Toes.
The toes provide balance and grip.
Toenail.
Toenail.
The toenails protects the toe tips.
Skin.
Skin.
The skin is the outer layer of the body that protects and covers it.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.